Hi guys. This is too close. Wow, it's almost like everybody's still resting. Hi. Hello, Emmanuel Augustine. Hi. How are you? How is your weekend going? Waiting for others to come on. Emmanuel is the first person to comment. Great, great. Nice one. I'm trying to share my screen. Welcome, 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 guys. You're welcome. Welcome. I hope we're having a lovely weekend. Where is everyone? Get everyone on. Let's get everyone on, guys. Emmanuel is number one. First to come to class. Emmanuel, what's your asset? Let me know now. Emmanuel Augustine. Wow, where's everyone today? Would you guys prefer we don't do this on weekends? We can change plans. Rwanda, number two. I see you. Rwanda, number two. What's your asset? Just drop it now so that I know. Emmanuel says EGB. Ah, that is an assignment I gave one of my students. Chai. Chai. That is an assignment I gave one of my students. USDJPY Rwanda. All right. All right. Great job. Big Marcel, you're welcome. Welcome, everyone. We're welcome. Big Marcel is number three. What is your assets? Big Marcel is number three. What is your assets? Daniel has come again. He will just jump in and then he will just not even hello. Happy Sunday, Tochukwu. Big Marcel, what's your asset? I know Rwanda is USDJPY, Emmanuel is EG, Big one said, what's yours? Daniel, don't worry. I will surely do GJ and gold. That one, we can't even escape it. All right. I hope you're all having fun. So let's get down to business, okay? GBP USD. Okay, it was always on my books, anyways. So let's get down to business. And who cut the oil? Who is in our? Did you? As in, this oil is still tanking. Like, I want it to come down here. This was my best trade of last week. This was my best trade of last week. All right. To think this thing nearly hit our SL. Oh, but then, as God will have it, look at that beautiful tank. And I have a video on how I got it, and I'm going to be releasing that video first thing tomorrow. Just stay tuned, okay? On all my platforms. I'm going to be releasing it on all my platforms. All right, so let's go to gold, my love. All right, so I'm just going to be deleting everything. Actually, I called the buy for my community, those in the VVIP. I called the buy for them, and they got in, okay, and they made money from that buy. But I'm going to start from the beginning, and so that everybody will be up to date on what gold is really doing, okay? So we know gold has been bullish. We know gold has been bullish. All right, we know gold has been bullish. I mean, look at that fat ass candle. Gold has been bullish. So I'm just going to drop to the weekly. Now on the weekly, I'm seeing a break of structure here. I'm just going to mark it out. All right. Break of structure. All right. So we know, okay, she gave us a new break of structure. New all-time high, y'all. New all-time high. Gold is just going up. It's how to catch it. How to catch it. So let's come down to the daily. All right. Now, looking at the daily, nothing much to be seen here except that break of structure that happened. You know, that break of structure that happened. Pull back, and it's continued. Pull back, continued. So let's come down to the 4 hour to look for more structure on how we can join the buy. I mean, there's nothing you should be doing other than buying. All right, except you see a reason for a sell, and I've not seen that reason for a sell yet. So everybody, we are still buying. Please smash the like button. Smash the like button so we can get more people out there to join us. All right. So now we are seeing more structure on the 4 hour time frame. I mean, it makes a whole lot of sense now. This is the last break of structure there. Okay, the last break of structure there. That's what we see on the 4 hour. And if you look closely, there's something here that is preventing the market from going down since Tuesday. All right, since Tuesday. So I'm just going to mark that so we can, you know. I see. Oh, Daniel says he sees a reason for a sell. All right, so let's see. Maybe we'll see that reason too. Okay. So what I see here is the fact that the market has not been able to break this low since Tuesday last week. Since Tuesday last week. Let's keep going. Let's just go a little bit further. All right. Now I still see. Okay. Now I see another break of structure here on the 2 hour time frame. All right. So we put in all this effort to annotate our diagrams, I mean, our charts, sorry, to annotate our charts so it is clear what we are doing. It helps to make things clear. All right. It helps to make things clear. Helps to make things clear. So The market gave us this push from, it came down after that break of structure, came down here. There seems to be a fair value, like an imbalance here. Took off from this imbalance and gave us a new high. All right, and gave us a new high. After giving us that new high, what did she do? She came to sweep that liquidity, still in that imbalance. But if you look on the 2-hour, you can clearly see that there is like a demand zone here. All right, let's bring it down to the 1 hour. It doesn't show on the 1 hour, shows on the 2 hour. Let me see the 4, because on the 2 hour is clear, very clear here. Okay, this is the 4 hour. All right, so it took off from the fair value gap here. Let's stick to the 4 hour. It took off from the fair value gap here. All right, you have to be really careful when you're analyzing. Do not be in a hurry so that you don't lose sight of what is really going on. I'm just going to call it a gap. All right, so that's the gap. And if you know my strategy, you would understand that I like to see liquidity created in the gap. Okay, so those that are taking gap entries, you have to be sharp enough to get out of your trade as soon as it hits the first. exactly. Tochukwu, we're on the same page. All right, we're on the same page. So you see, I like liquidity formed at the gap, and we can see this sweet wicks, okay, giving us what we want. All right, now we are still bullish. I've not seen any reason to take a sell. I don't see any reason to take a sell as a swing trader. Maybe the scalpers, all right, the scalpers, okay, can see why, but I've not seen any reason yet. So if you ask me, this is where I'm waiting for the market to come and sweep all that beautiful liquidity. I'm going to bring it down, unless we get a new high from here, because this is obviously liquidity that this week swept as well. So the market has not opened. We don't know if she's going to keep going up or if she will come back, sweep that liquidity to this zone and take off, which is a very beautiful plan, if you ask me. All right, so I'm seeing the gap, I'm seeing liquidity forming in the gap, and this was also a sweep of liquidity, but it has not given us a new high. So there's every reason that she might come back again, sweep all that one, tap into my point of interest or to my demand zone, and clearly take off. So this is what I want to see happen, but we are not sure yet. We are not sure. But this is what I'll be waiting for. I'll be waiting for that liquidity to be chopped off and that pull back into this zone to take off. However, remember, this is the 4-hour time frame. All right, this is the 4-hour time frame. So Oga, wait for confirmation. So I'm just going to put what I would love to see happen. This is going to be a long position from here. Okay, just want to target that high. Let's target that high there. Or that week. What if? I always like to put it where they open and close candles. I always like to put it there, just in case. All right. So this is what I see. Those equal lows are sweet liquidity points for market to grab my thoughts, though. Smash the like button, guys. Don't stop smashing the like button. Thank you, Tochukwu, for that input. I'm really grateful. It is exactly what I'm looking for as well. So I'm going to be putting the coordinates here. All right. And that will be a buy limit. on gold. Sorry about that. Let me make it capital letters. So buy limit on gold. All right, at 2915. 291. Please and please don't go and say, Madam has made me blow my account. Always wait for confirmation. All right, and the SL, because you can see this SL is not child's play because it's on the 4-hour time frame. So you want to drop down to a smaller time frame, and you want to wait for a break of structure, like a change of character, before you get in. All right, in a smaller time frame. All right, you want to see this happen before you get in. That way, your SL is smaller and you can trade with your small account. Okay, but if you enter here and you don't have money, you're not on Udogu or you're not a chairman, please wait for confirmation, so you won't say, Madam has made us blow our accounts. All right, so let's continue. This is what I see. I'm going to put the coordinates again. Somehow it's left me behind. Okay, so buy limit gold 2915 0.07, SL 2903. Always wait for your confirmations when you see that you can't handle the SL. Okay, that is the plan. 2903.75, and our TP, so it's like a 1:3, 1:3.28. TP is 2952, 2952, 2952.15. Yeah, we'll take it and we'll chill. You just chill. Don't try to shoot yourself in the leg by overshooting. Just calm down. Wait for it to sweep that sweet liquidity, and we are up where we want to be. Okay, don't assume it's going to give you a new high. Just be calm, and take your money here. All right, so this is the first one, and the next one I'll be looking at is GU. All right, the GU. Always, let me write it here so they will know that I'm not joking. Just like I wrote for Oga, wait for confirmation. If you are in my Telegram channel, you'll be able to, all right, you'll be able to see this coordinate. So let's go to GU, my second best. GU. Oh, the beautiful GU. I mean, this setup was classic. Like, it was like no drawdowns. It was it was the bomb. And this is the kind of thing I'm seeing with gold as well, you know. I mean, you can't shout, you can't make these things up. I mean, you either know it or you don't know it. So I'm just going to take my time and delete it one by one because I hate to see you go. All right, so we're just going to delete and okay, let's delete everything. All right. So I mean, it was a classic entry. It was it was a classy entry. Big Marcel said, Coconut Head, wait for confirmation. Please, oh, don't stop smashing that like button, guys. Do this for me. It will help me a lot to grow my channel at least. All right. So let's go to the monthly time frame. Smash that like button. So you see, the another thing I want you guys to know, which is you have to be mindful of the broker you use in chatting up. Okay, I like FXCM. I like FX because it gives me data from Mbebo, data from behind. So it helps me to know what's going on. So I see is that you can clearly see a downtrend. Okay, a downtrend all the way, and it's still going down. Okay, nothing has been broken. I mean, this is the last low. This is the last low here. Oh, looks like a slight sweep though. Slight sweep, but I'm still Looks like a slight sweep, but I'm not confident on that. I'm still very much selling anyways. Anyways, it's giving us, even if it's giving us a new low, it means we are still selling. But this is the monthly, it's still very high. Okay, so I'm just going to come down to the weekly. All right. So weekly, you can even clearly see your break of structures. No shouting. That was the last break of structure. So we're expecting it to come up. So let's even use what we see here, because once I see my trend, I see my break of structures, I stay there and work with what I see. I'm not going to stress my, like for now, I'm seeing this. I'm clearly seeing you see, it's simple. Once you can see your last break of structure, you already know you want it to come up around this zone. All right. Okay. But if it is already taking off from that zone, fine. You want to join it because this is a high time frame. All right. So even if I did not know what to do, if I was gonna be waiting on this weekly, I want to see, ooh, and it looks like that is exactly what happened. See, it tapped into our zone here, our beninging zone, and she's been tanking. You don't make these things up. All right, smash the like button, guys. Okay, so now we see that the thing has been dropping from that point. Now we're going to follow suit. It's not hard. Let's see what's going on the daily. All right, let's see what's going on the daily. There you go, your beautiful sell going on the daily without shouting too much. You just want to see that that is happening on the daily. All right, on the daily we're having our downward trend. Okay, our downward trend, and if you look, this was the last move to the downside. Or let's just come down to the 4-hour time frame for more structure. Ooh, that's a lot. Ish, that's a lot. Let me go back. 8 hours. Let me see. Okay. So we can clearly see she's been coming down, coming down, coming down. Okay, this is even the 8-hour time frame. We've not even, I mean, now after that coming down, coming down, coming down, which is you are seeing break of structure here. That's the last on this is even the 8-hour. Okay, the last break of structure to the downside, all these red candles. Now I want you to see what has happened here. On the 8-hour, she's changed character right there, which is why we started taking the buys. Okay, there was a change of character right there. All right, let me be sure. Yeah, it's straight. Please pardon me, my kids. 4-hour. Now we knew it was a buy because what happened? There's been a major change of character, so we should be looking for how to buy. Now this is the 4-hour time frame. This is where I got that entry from here. I clearly saw, okay, she was giving us higher highs, okay, higher highs from this point, and there was what a point of interest, a beautiful demand zone here, and that was how we got in on that first entry. Now, how do we continue this? That was how we got in on our first entry. Now, how do we continue this? Okay, even if I don't know what to do, this is what I keep telling people. Even if I don't know what to do, on the 4-hour, I'm waiting for this because I trade in the zone a lot. All right, I trade in the zone a lot. So even if I don't know what to do, what am I waiting for? I'm waiting for the market to come into the beninging zone. I can't shout. I beg, this is not, life is not hard. Life is not hard. What I use is my fib and my pattern. That's all I use to trade. All right. What I use is my fib and my pattern. Smash the like button, guys. Smash the like button. Don't stop. Support me, please. And get anybody you feel will be interested in this market markup or whatever, market analysis. All right, so I came down to the 1 hour. Now I'm looking for my structure, and I'm even seeing it live and direct. Okay, I'm seeing it live and direct. I want to see the market come down to this zone before I'm even going to buy. However, there's a zone here that is distracting a lot of people. There's going to be a zone here distracting a lot of people. It doesn't concern me. I don't care if the market comes in here to move. I don't care. I rather miss this trade. I rather miss this trade and lose it, lose my money. So with what I'm seeing, this is my structure self. Now I'm looking for my structure. Okay, that's my structure right there. All right, now I want to see how sweep liquidity, sweep liquidity, sweep liquidity, come back here to my Quasimodo level, and then I'm taking off. So I've shown you how I use my feed, all right, and I match it. Hi Adeolu, and I match it with my pattern, all right. I match it with my pattern. In fact, some people that are still not seeing, because at a point you have to consult the eyes of the gods to see if you've not been in this market too long. You want to see markets really, really sweep. You want to come down and see structure. This is even 30 minutes. Although I know where I'm going in, I'm trying to modify it now. This is the 30 minutes. Now, this is the 15 minutes. All right. But you see why I don't bother. I would rather wait in my 4 hour zone where I can see everything I'm seeing and then wait for extra confirmation. All right. Let's see. 4 hour. Was it 2 hour? Yeah, I think 2 hour was fine. Okay. So in this case now, I'm not seeing. You see why trading in the zone is very important and your fib is very important. Now, for those people that say they are only demand zone, only when they see demand zones or unmitigated order blocks is when they will get in. They'll be a bit confused here. They will be a bit confused because they are not seeing order block. They are not seeing nothing. They just know that the market has gone up. Where are we going to enter? Now you see some of them waiting in this zone. They've seen there's a fair value gap. They will see this. All right, they will see this. Now, somebody that is seeing this will be like, okay, if it comes here, why not take it? I see this, I see fair value gap. All right, I see markets forming here, the fair value gap. Well, it's a good chance. You can take it there. You can risk it and take it there. Wait for your extra confirmation and take it there. All right. But for me, this is the beginning of the move from here, from this zone. All right. A bit of movement before it shot up. So, yes, this is a good entry, but I would want to wait for it to come here. Sweep more liquidity because I'm not really seeing liquidity yet. Okay. Although it's formed some bit of what's it called? Weak in a gap, which is actually what I like to look out for. I like to see a week in a gap. Let me see how it looks on the 1 hour to see if I can risk that. I can't risk it though. I'm not really, this is not my, I'll always go for the one that goes with my fib. I would rather go for the one that goes with my fib. So I'm going to just wait for it at this zone. Okay. It goes very much with my fib. Let it do whatever it wants to do. All right. This goes very much with my fib. People on the 15 minutes, let's see how it looks for them because I understand why they will take this trade. Yeah, people on the 15 minutes will be like, what am I doing? I'm going in for this trade. Well, so I'm going to drop the two of them. You make your choice, but don't enter until you see confirmation. Now, if she's rejecting from here, or if you see that the candle, this thing I taught you guys, entry, you can get in here. But Makachuku, now here they wait though. I mean, this is where I'm waiting. I'm waiting here. All right, I'm going to be waiting at this zone in all honesty because it goes with my zone. I will not I'm not going to bother. I can see people are saying seeing their fair value gap. That's fine. I can see double fair value gap here. That's fine. All right. But in all honesty, my dear, if I'm trading, I usually once I see my setup, I wait there. I don't bother. So if you want to give it a chance, give it. But this is what I'm going to be dropping for you. Only those that were in this class will understand what we are doing. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to drop both ideas, and if it hits your SL, tough luck. That's what a trader does. You try it until you see. Okay. So if it hits your SL, tough luck. So this is what is going to happen. SL is not always a bad thing. Don't be scared of SL. You are a trader. Okay. So yeah, there's nothing wrong. You try it here. If you hit your SL, you wait for the next zone. It's as easy as that. As long as you're not over leveraging, there is nothing to fear. Okay. So I'm seeing two zones that I like so much. All right. They look so good. And that zone. All right. Yeah, this zone. This is it for me. Yeah. I use structure to set my, all right, all the way to the top. All right. It's not hard. It's not hard. Okay. It's not hard at all. Wait for your confirmation and get in. There is no Daniel, thank you. Which is why I would rather wait. Because you see this one. You see this one. This is all liquidity here. Beautiful. Like I can't leave it for anybody. I can't. But let me tell you, 15 minutes time frame people, they will tell you, what is all this one here? They will tell you, madam, what is all this one here? Is this one now? Madam, don't start. This is also liquidity. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? So you try your luck, and nobody knows it all. It might move from here, it might move from here. But me, like I said, this is my setup like this. You see all these ones? This is my setup here. I'm seeing the liquidity. All right. So I'll be waiting for this one. And I can see my heads and shoulder pattern or quasimodo pattern right there, with all the liquidity before break of structure here. All right. And voila, this way I'm waiting. I'm not even going to play. That's why I'm waiting. So this is your break of structure right here. Okay. I've been waiting for one boyfriend. He's yet to come on board. Sorry. Where's my template? BOS. All right. So this is what I'll be waiting for. So first entry for those that are brave enough to try. Okay. Let's see. I'm just gonna put it down there. First entry. Buy limit. Let me type first entry. First possible entry. First possible entry. 1 point is already holding. First possible entry 1.26106. 1.26106. First and possible entry buy limit GU 1.26106. 1.26106. All right. And SL 1.25978. SL 1.25978. Where did I see that SL? I don't want to risk it. Yeah, it's just below. Yeah, hold on. Yeah, this is it. 1.26009. Let's leave it as it is. Give it like 50 pips. Just a little bit more. That's fine. 1.26003. That's fine. 1.26003. 1.26003. All right. So daredevils, that's for you. But people like me that are stingy, let's do our thing. This is our zone here. All right, this is our zone. I would like to see it come to, all right, second possible entry. All right, I'm going to be doing a buy limit. GBP USD, it will be 1.25862, 1.25862. All right, 1.25862 SL. All right, SL will be 1.25617, 1.25617. All right, and okay, TP. TP is for both of them, general TP, overall TP, TP. Now, I like to take it at that serious, what they call it, decision making. It doesn't always have to go for the week. Will it go for the week? Will it go for the week? Very possible. Very, very possible. Let's just stop here. No need to be greedy. This is already a 1:6, and this is a 1:3 from this zone. So let's see. Let's see. It makes sense. I want to modify that entry here. Yeah, it's yep. This zone. So let's wait. Overall TP is the same, which is 1.26727. Okay. 1.26727. 1.26727. 1.26727. All right, so I'm going to be dropping this in my Telegram channel. Smash the like button, guys. Keep smashing the like button. So this is GU. All right, so we have gold and we have GU. All right, so that was GU, that was gold. There's one more that US oil. Okay, US oil, I already dropped it in my channel. All right, US oil, I already dropped it in my channel, and we are still on that trade for US oil. We are still on that trade for US oil. I seen my baby. US oil keeps making me happy. So we took this one last week, upper week, and this was, I mean, oh my God, she didn't even come back. Hey, my God. All right, so, well, US oil, if she's not going to give us, she has not given us a new breakup structure. I'm slowly, patiently waiting for a new breakup structure. She's yet to give it to me. All right. She's yet to give it to me. I haven't seen it yet, but I would love to see the market pull back. I mean, to a very good zone, possibly this zone. This zone looks nice. Possibly this zone. Okay, so that people can get in. All right, but if not, she's toast. I mean, it's gone. It's gone. Let it go. So US oil is done now. Oh, great job, Big Marcel. Great job. Great job, Big Marcel. All right. USD JPY. Rwanda, calm down. Emmanuel was the first to come to class. Emmanuel said, Emmanuel said Euro GBP. This Euro GBP I want to do right now is paining me because I gave somebody, one of my mentees, as an assignment for me to. Hi. Hello. Hello. I didn't know I already did this. I didn't know I already did this. Oh, wow. Okay, so I'm just going to be analyzing. Okay. I'm just going to be, wow. Oh, wow. Wow. Let me just analyze. I'm not going to clean anything because it's not easy work. Okay. It's not easy work. Okay. So it's been rising on the monthly. All right. And we've been waiting for it to break down to come close. So this is the range here and here. This is the monthly time frame. This is the monthly time frame. And she needs to take off from here to give, we are expecting that she will give us a new high. But what did she do? She came here and she's been on this thing since 2016. She's been on this support, on this level since 2016. Don't play. So you don't play with such levels. Now let's go to the weekly. Remember, we're looking to buy. Let's go to the weekly. All right, so let's see what's happening. Now, the market is currently there. Now, you want to be looking for a reason to buy. You want to be looking for a reason to buy, okay? Because we are sitting on a strong support since 2016. Hello, I can't even be shouting that enough. All right, so let's go to the daily. All right, we're going to the daily now. We're going to the daily now. Let's see. Now, on the daily, good. Should I stop? Should I stop? So on the daily, I've seen my pattern and I'm waiting for the buy. So the buy is very much knocking at our door. I've forgotten when I actually did this. Hey God. You know yourself. My VVIP, if he's here, I'm canceling EG. You can't submit EG to me anymore. I'm sorry. I didn't know I already did it. You can't submit EG to me anymore. We're going to give you another one to do. Now let's go to the 4-hour time frame. I can't even shout. This is not a shouting matter. I mean, life is easy. It's not a shouting matter. What have we seen? See all the liquidity. In fact, that daily time frame was perfect. I mean, come on. Just feed your eyes. Feed your eyes. Look at all the liquidity. The thing has to sweep. Nice. Tap into other block here. Let's see if we can see it on the 2. Let's see 3 hours. Let's see. Oh, trading in the zone. Okay, let's see. I don't want to go further than 4 hours, honestly speaking. Yeah, honestly speaking, I don't want to go further. This is my setup here. This is my setup. I can't shout. I don't know. There's a gap here, and that's the other block is a big one from this side, like this. All right, the other block is a massive one here. That's a very massive, which is why I'm telling everyone, wait for your extra confirmation before you get in. Okay, wait for your extra confirmation before you get in. So I already did EG. All right, I already did EG. So what are we going to do? Let me just put the coordinates, and oh my God, this is a proper swing trade. Buy limit. All right, EG, GBP, 0.82555 SL 0.82209, 0.82209. TP, our TP is 0.84730, 0.84730. All right. Sorry, I've not been writing the SL and TP. All right. Oga, wait for confirmation. Oga, wait for confirmation. All right. All right. So this is what we're waiting for EG. Now, Rwanda wants USD JPY. Rwanda wants USD JPY. And then we can call it a night. Let's see USD JPY. I actually like USD JPY. My God, I don't think we lost any trade, Major. Oh my God, did I call this out? Ewe, ewe, Sisi. Oh, Sisi. Oh my goodness. Oh Lord. Please, I have to make sure we take. In fact, it's just that. All right. Smash the like button, guys. I mean, smash the like button. You're all about to get rich from this. Just smash the like button. Don't sit down and be inactive. All right. You're not commenting. You're not doing anything. Come on. What's with you? What's with you? All right. So let's see. What's USDJPY been doing? She's been tanking, unfortunately. However, looks like this was okay. This was the which one was the last low? Yeah, definitely. This was the last low. Looks nice. I clearly see a break of structure, major change of character on this zone here. Change of character. All right. So now we are looking to buy. Okay, we're looking to buy. Now we bought from here. Let's keep watching. We are going with the flow. Let me take note of the next. This was the next one she cleared. That was the next one. I'm just being very careful. All right. All right. So let's see. I'm just looking at something here. So now she looks like she hit. Definitely, there's a zone here that she hits. It's equal. It's equal. Apparently the same, and she's reacting to that. But that's fine. Let's keep going. So this is the monthly. Let's see what's happening on the weekly. Weekly we'll see more structures. Okay, more structure. All right, so the buy was happening nicely. Oh, I see. There's been another change of character. Let's go to the daily. Let's go to the daily. All right, I mean, the daily, I mean, we can't even shout. This is your change of character here again, a major one at that. All right. And then you can clearly see the markets came in here for a sell. I mean, you can't make this up. You can't make this up. All right, so this is USD JPY on the sell level. So we are selling. All right, we've tapped into that. And we are constantly on the sell for now. So let's keep going on the 4-hour. Right now, she's resting on a support. I'll call it a support, this zone. All right, she's resting on this zone. So let's see what happens on the 4. Let's see how it looks on the 4-hour. Now, that zone is no joke. That zone is since 20th of October 2024. All right. 2024. I mean, don't play with that kind of level. I mean, I'm talking about last year. All right. So you don't play with that kind of level. So let's see. Now, if you ask me, I would say if she breaks this zone below, then we continue on the sell. All right. We're going to wait this out. If she breaks this zone, then, okay, of which then you should start looking for quick buys, because Remember, she fit come like this. Let me explain why it's a bit tricky. She can do this, all right? Tap here, go clear liquidity, come to that zone and tank. So we don't know what's about to happen. So if she breaks the zone, we are sure the sell will continue. Okay, and we're sure it's going to give us a new low after all this. But she fit go back. Now we are going to be looking for how to continue the sell. She fit go back like that. All right, and very possible. All right. So how do we do? What do we do? If you want to scalp and catch the buy after that break of high, this break here, then you do be my guest, because there's a possible reason. There's a possible reason she will break above and probably give us a new high, because I mean this level has been holding for a long time. Possibly give us a new high. I mean, this zone has been holding for a long time. Okay, that was a new high. It's possible that she will go. And if you look here, hey, if you look here, there's something here, you know. It's a large zone that has it's a large zone that has not been. So you have to be looking at both sides of every possibility. This is our Quasimodo level for that possible sell. This thing never even go inside well. So it might be that she will come here, buy all the way before she dumps. So keep your mind open whenever you're trading like this. Don't think you know it. Don't think like I trade what I feel. Trade what you see. All right. So my advice is, this is the 4-hour time frame. We're going to wait this out. We're not going to take any chances. It's a massive one. It's a massive fair value gap. All right. It's a massive. Are you guys tapping the like button? Are you guys tapping this is free knowledge, okay? Tap, at least tap on the like button. All right, so this is what I see. Well, let me come down a smaller time frame and see what's really going on here. That rejection is sweet. Let me see the 2-hour time frame. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. Let's see the 1-hour time frame. Nothing. I'm not seeing nothing. So EJ, we're going to wait it out. If you ask me, we're going to wait it out. We're going to wait it out. If we are going to use what we are seeing here, we'll be waiting for it to sweep all that liquidity and go somewhere else for the next sell. But this could possibly be leading us to a high to close that big ass fair value gap we saw. So this is my analysis. In fact, I'm going to wait on the 4-hour. So Rwanda, if you've seen a reason, let's see 15 minutes. If you let's see. This is 15 minutes. She's actually my antenna is standing right now. I'm hearing possible things to happen. My God, this is tempting. This is really tempting. For those on the 15 minutes, there's something for them here. On the 15 minutes, there's something for them here from this zone. But then the next zone, we have to be careful to take it to the next zone for the possible sell. There's plenty of work to be done here. Okay, so she's giving us a reason. I see a change of character here on the 15 minutes. Chukuna. Let's see. On the 15 minutes, I'm seeing something for the 15 minutes, gang. Well, truth remains that I'm not seeing liquidity yet. And I won't call this liquidity. I want to see liquidity form in this gap here. I want to see liquidity form. So until that happens, we are going to take a chill pill and wait. We're going to wait. We are going to wait. We are going to wait. If she, for those that are very good at, they don't care if there's liquidity or not. Okay, once they see a fair value gap, they'll take it. So that's fine for those that want to do that. But what I want to see is market come here, do stuff, do stuff. Then, and then I'm ready to go in. But I'm not seeing nothing here. So I'm gonna wait. Okay, I'm going to wait. Either ways, we are still waiting. I mean, is it clear? Is it clear? Either ways, we are still going to wait. All right, is it clear? Is it clear? Either ways, we are going to wait. All right, we're going to wait. Either ways, we're going to wait. Yes. So UJ is a no-no. It's a no-no. Okay, Ruana, just watch your charts. Okay, wait for that liquidity to be formed. When it happens, then you should be ready to snipe or strike. Oh, wait, hold on. Let me just see something. Let me just see one thing. One thing. Okay, so let's wait. Let's wait. Let me see. Yeah, let's wait, guys. Let's wait. So we'll wait for that, okay? We'll wait for that. GJ is the last one. We have barely 3 minutes to be out. GJ. This GJ, I already entered this GJ. I can't lie. I already entered this GJ. Me and my VIP. So this GJ, I don't think I want to share. It's a bit complicated. This GJ is a bit complicated, in all honesty. In all honesty, this GJ is a bit complicated. So, all right. So let me show you. Let me just show you. Okay. All right. So we know that on the monthly, GJ has been coming down. This was the last low here. All right. This was the last low here. However, there was a strong supply zone here. Okay. If we really wanted to sell, we would have been waiting for, the market to come up even further to this zone for that sell. All right. We'll be waiting for the market to come up even further for that sell. This is on the monthly, but we're not that. We will get there. We'll get there. We'll be rich like that very soon. But I don't trade the monthly time frame. So now we're looking at the weekly. So it looks like she tapped into that zone. Now I'm going to open it up. It looked like she tapped into that serious supply zone and came down here, but didn't come down directly. So I'm just going to delete this. Sorry, guys. All right. So from that zone, she came down, but wasn't able to give us a new low, and looked like she was giving us like a small trend, going up that way. She was giving us a small trend. Now we're going to follow from here. All right, we're going to follow from here. From here. Why? That was the last. It didn't give us a new low. Okay, hold on. It didn't give us a new low, but that was the last low before the next move. So I don't know if you get my point. So she came down here, all the way here, and started moving up again, and started giving us a nice move to upside. So we're going to use what we see. It's a bit tricky for those that are new to the game, but so GJ, she's fond of being a little bit complicated anyways. So she started from here again and started giving us higher highs and higher lows. So I can clearly see a trend here. like from this point. All right, nicely. All right, she didn't give us a new high, but she came down to this trend line and she came back here. So now question is she going to take off from that trend line? We don't know. Why? Because on a smaller time frame, let's go to the 4 hour. On a smaller time frame, on the 4 hour, she's not giving us, yeah, this is a change of character, no doubt here. That's a change of character that I see here. All right, so I see it can never be help me, Adiolu. It can never be straightforward in this her lifetime. I don't know why GJ is like this, sha. I say go they learn for where GJ dey in terms of shakara. So we have a change of character here. All right, after that change of, look at all these weeks, so I'm not really confident, and that's why I didn't drop this trade. It's just me and my VIPs, the ones that are willing to take the risk. We are already in, because these days we've been seeing that GJ doesn't wait for anybody. Once there's hot gap like this, GJ don't move. And it's not only GJ, gold was doing that a lot this year. They've been taking off from gap. So what we do is come down to a smaller time frame. If we see a reason to enter at the gap, if she has given us a small change of character in a smaller time frame, we are in. If not, we maintain our champion and be waiting there. So from what we see, from what I see, okay, you can even, another thing that you need to notice is this zone. Why it's toppled there? I mean, there's something here so beautiful. There's a zone here that has not been broken for a while, since 3rd of February, and that is why she's reacting to that zone. And she sold down to here. Now the question is, we see that she's making a new trend. Is she going to take off from here, or is she going to break it and keep coming down? We don't know. So it's either this happens or this happens. Now, 2 hour, remember, this is the gap that we saw on the high time frame. Now, why we are coming down is to see if there's a reason to get in for the buy. All right. Now, 2 hour is not showing us anything. 1 hour, nothing. 30 minutes, nothing. 15 minutes, well, 15 minutes be showing me something. All right, it's a risky trade. All right, 15 minutes be showing me something, but there's a gap here that is pushing this down. So she might come back here and take off, or come down all the way into this point and take off. So right now, GJ is off the limits. I'm not going to share GJ for anybody. It's just my personal risk-taking stunt with GJ. I'm in profit already because I got in very early. With, I think, what did I use? I used the 3 candle rule to get in on the 5 minutes, I think. Now on the 5 minutes, you see the baby looks different. So on the 5 minutes, I think I got in at this point. Okay, so I'm in profit already. But it's a risky trade. Please don't join me in taking this. This is just okay. But you understand the flow. So I'm going to wait. When I see that, okay, she's actually moving nice, then I'm going to drop it for you guys. So I'm going to keep it at the back of my mind. Please remind me, Adiolu, or any of my mentees that are here, for me to keep an eye on GJ. I'm not going to share this, all right? I'm not going to share this. GJ is not straightforward. It's either she takes off from here, just like you, Jay. It's either she takes off from here, just like you, Jay, or she breaks and keeps coming down. And I won't lie, you see these weeks here, they are too fine. They are too fine. I tell you, if GJ doesn't come to grab these weeks, before moving up. I don't know. I'll be surprised. I mean, I'll really be surprised. This is beautiful. I mean, so let's watch and see. All right. It's not straightforward, so we don't know what's going to happen with GJ. It was just a risk me and my VVIPs are taking. All right. If you have any questions, please drop it right now. Or forever hold your peace. Our time is up. Love you guys so much. Thank you for showing up. I have a big announcement. So I'm doing a program for women on the 8th of March. I did it last year. I made it physical, but because we couldn't reach out to a lot of people that really wanted it to be online. We decided to do it online this year. So I could reach out to people that were not in Lagos. So the last time we did it, we had it physically and we did it in Lagos. But now I'm trying to reach out to everybody on here or, that has Wi-Fi in every part of the world or every part of Nigeria to join in. So we are going to be having, especially for the newbies, it's a free seminar webinar. It's going to be a webinar now for women. Please, if you're not a woman, please respect your ancestors. Don't come and say because it's online, you want to trick your head there. It's for women. I'm going to be teaching for free. So we're going to be having some physical classes, at an office, my broker's office, where we can, work together. For those that like physical classes, we might be having some physical classes in the month of March. All right, but the webinar is free. I'm going to be teaching the scratch, the bottom part, the beginning beninging. I'm going to teach them beninging, what is forex, how to calculate pips, how to, like, if you are a dodomu, if you are a dummy, this is for you. Get your girlfriends, your wives, your exes, your sisters, get them on. The flyers are already everywhere on my Instagram, on my TikTok, in my Telegram channel, Facebook. So please sign up. All you have to do is Adeolu, respect your ancestors. All right. So please get in there, get it. I want it packed up. Let's get everybody on. We need to learn forex. Nigeria is going to be better, but before then, let us be ahead of the curve. Let us master this skill so that when money starts pouring in, we will know how to sit down in our houses and multiply. All right. So I love you all. Get your ladies on that. All right. Take care now. Have a lovely rest of the night. God bless. Bye.